Hello, I'm Jacqueline, Knowledge Anywhere's marketing lead, and today we're going to be going over a user demo of Scormify and how it works. On the left-hand side, on step one, you'll see the different types of content that you can upload into Scormify. The goal of this is to be able to use content that you already have for training people online. And then through these simple 3 steps, it will transform into a SCORM compliant material that you're then able to upload onto any training platform. So examples of this are any streaming video that you have, any YouTube videos or Vimeo videos that you have, PowerPoints, PDFs, Words, and then we also have the ability to upload video files and to upload in bulk. So if you have multiple that you want to do, I know that I have a training video on this in another video. So if you want to learn more about that last one, bulk, there is a separate demo video on how to use that. For today, we're just going to go YouTube. Once you click the type, it will automatically take you to step 2, which is configure. And I've pulled up a video that I might want here. Right now, we're just going to do Knowledge Anywhere's basic kind of welcome to the industry, who we are and what we do video. So I'm just going to copy and paste that title. Style shows what kind of background style you want. I personally like dark, so I'm going to change that. And it will be in English. The completion rate is what percentage you want your users or your end learners to see before you mark them quote unquote complete. So I like my learners to make it to the end of the video. So I'm going to say I want them to watch 95% before I mark them complete. Then for YouTube, you just copy and paste the final URL. And when you're satisfied with your answers, you'll hit create. We just need to wait a few seconds for this to be able to configure. And as you can see, it was a very quick process. Number 3, all you have to do is download your SCORM files. You can see that it popped up on the bottom here. And these are the downloaded SCORM files in a zip folder with everything that you'll need to upload to your LMS. I hope you've enjoyed this very brief overview. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@knowledgeanywhere.com.